Hello student, welcome to my channel Point 91. If you are new student, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Today we study remaining part of model paper. So let's start the class. See the first question. First question is identify the standard self releasing taper. Identify the standard self releasing taper. Option A 9/20, option B 1/20, option C 7/24 and D 1/25. What is the correct answer? The right answer is C 7/24. And your next question, why the drill get heated to maximum? Why the drill gets heated to the maximum? Due to high cutting speed and feed rate, point angle is not correct, the drill is not sharp, all of the above. What is the correct answer? Why drill get heated to maximum? The right answer is D, all above. Due to the high cutting speed and feed rate, point angle is not correct and the drill is not sharp. D is the correct answer. Next question. And student, your exam 6 August, few days left. Please watch the video and do the practice. Next question. Value of the sin 30 by cos square 60. Value of the sin 30 cos square 60 degree. So how to solve? Put the value sin 30 upon cos square 60. Put the value sin 30 value 1/2, cos 60 value 1/2 का whole square, then 1/2 upon 1/4, then solve it 1/2 into 4/1, then cross 2, then solve. Right answer is 2. So then is 2 is the correct answer. Following the gear are used to transmit motion and power between the parallel shaft. Following gear are used to transmit motion and power between the parallel shaft. Option A spur gear and helical gear, B bevel gear, C rack and pinion gear, D spiral gear. Which one of the correct? Used to transmit motion and the power between the parallel shaft. A is the right answer. Spur gear and helical gear. All question is very important, and please subscribe my channel and like the video. Next question. In a grinding wheel designation, the parameter which show the strength of the bond is. In the grinding wheel designation, the parameters which show the strength of the bond is A yield size, B grade, C grade, D structure. What is the correct answer? Right answer is B grade. Show the strength of the bond, grade. Next question. In a riveted joint, an operation of pressing the whole shaft of the edge of the plate is called. In a riveted joint, an operation of the pressing the whole surface of the edge of the plate is called coupling, fulling, pressing, joining. What is the right answer? Right answer is B fulling. Next question. The interlock air bubbles are and pockets in hydraulic pipeline and component is called. the interlock air bubbles and pockets in hydraulic pipeline and component it calls pressure, capillary action, cavitation, gravitation. Which one is correct? Right answer is C, cavitation. Right answer is C, cavitation. Next question. Stellite is a tool material and stellite is a tool material and is a non-metal, ferrous metal, non-ferrous metal, none of these. What is the right answer? C is the correct answer, non-ferrous metal. Non-ferrous material. Non-ferrous material. C is the correct answer. Next question. Is defined as the ratio between pitch diameter of the number of the teeth of the gear. Is defined as the ratio between pitch diameter to the number of teeth of gear. Velocity ratio, addendum, land, module. Correct answer is D, module. The ratio of pitch diameter of the number of teeth of the gear. Next question. What is the color of acetylene cylinder? What is the color of acetylene cylinder? Red, black, maroon, green. Right answer is C, maroon. Next question. It is the purity of an oil by virtue of which it can withstand high pressure or load without squeezing out from the bearing surface. Question. It is the purity of an oil by virtue of which it can withstand high pressure load or load without squeezing out from the bearing surface. What property? Wetness, viscosity, oilness, density. The right answer is B, viscosity. Viscosity is the correct answer. Next question. A Peller key with round end is called. A Peller key with round end is called give head key, circular key, feather key, flat saddle key. What is the correct answer? Feather key. Feather key. C is the correct answer. Next question. Your exam is 1 day left. 6 August your exam. Please get practice and go to exam hall free of mind. Next question. What is the angle under isometric thread? What is the angle under isometric thread? 15 degree, 60 degree, 55 degree, 29 degree. What is the angle under isometric thread? Correct answer is B, 16 degree. Next question. Selection of solderless flux depend on selection of solder flux depended on A, working temperature of the solder, B, soldering process, C, material to be joined, D, all of the above. Which one the correct? Solder flux depended on A, all of above. is dependent on a working temperature of the solder, soldering process, and metal to be joined. All of the above correct answer. Next question. Are used for making external threading on cylinder surface. Are used for making external threading on cylinder surface. Option A, die, tap, lathe machine, both die and lathe machine. Which one the correct? Right answer is D, die and lathe machine. Making external thread on cylinder. D is the correct answer. Die and lathe machine. And please subscribe my channel. An alloy of lead, tin, copper and antimony. An alloy of lead, tin, copper and antimony. Babbit metal, white metal, bronze, none of these. Right answer is an alloy of lead, tin, copper, antimony. Correct answer is A, Babbit metal. Babbit metal. Next question. The type of drill used for general purpose drilling work. The type of drill used for general purpose drilling work. Type S, type N, type H, type F. Type of drill used for general purpose work. Right answer is B, type N. Type N, used for general purpose work. Next question. A drive system used for motion transmission at constant velocity ratio without creep and slippage. A drive system used for motion transmission at constant velocity ratio without creep and slippage. Belt drive, rope drive system, chain drive system, belt and chain drive system. What is the correct answer? Without creep and slippage. Right answer is C, chain drive system. Chain drive system. Next question. Identify the tool. Identify the tool. This is the open end spanner, hook spanner, single end ring spanner, pull out pin. Which one the correct? Right answer is hook spanner. Hook spanner. B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Next question. Multi-point cutting tools used in lathe are. Multi-point cutting tools used in lathe are drill bit, reamer, both A and B, none of the above. Multi-point cutting tool. Right answer is which one? Multi-point cutting tool? Drill bit and reamer both. Reamer, drill bit and reamer both. So C is the correct answer. This is the last question. A student, please keep practice. One day left. Your 6 best your exam, and watch the video and keep practice, and subscribe my channel and like the video. So thank you very much.